Hi, my name is David P Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. And there's a reason that we say that over and over and over again. And it goes far beyond the fact that we have that trademarked as our slogan, or as our catchphrase, or as our magic statement, as some people may refer to it as. It has meaning. And that meaning goes back many years, specifically to April 26, 2004, when I found myself arrested for a crime that I admittedly did commit. And, at the time, I'm 22 years old, about to be 23 years old, in a city that, I'd only lived in for about 2 years at the time, not even. And, I'm faced with uncertainty. I'm faced with, fear. I'm faced with the prospect of one, when am I going to get out of jail? Two, am I going to have to go back to jail? And even when you get out of jail, in a literal sense, how long are you going to be in this figurative jail sense? How am I going to explain this to my mother? How am I going to explain this to my family who I feel like I let down? Is this going to affect my ability to become a lawyer? I was in law school at the time. And that's where the origin of we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime comes from, because I found myself on that side of the aisle, on that side of the line as a criminal defendant. And since 2010, when I started the law office of David P Shapiro in San Diego, that was a driving force of everything we're doing. It's a driving force not only of what I do, it's a driving force of what our entire team of attorneys and assistants believe. Because we put ourselves, literally in some instances in my case, and figuratively with every client we represent, in their shoes, to understand what makes them tick, to understand what they're going through, because we have been there. I have been there myself, and I know the value of hiring the right attorney, the right law firm, at the right time. So if you find yourself, you or a loved one, facing criminal charges in San Diego, please reach out to my firm. We're just one phone call away at 619-295-3555.